Welcome to The Solo Investor. Most people talk about financial freedom as if it's a finish line, a magic moment where money stops being a worry forever. But financial freedom isn't one destination, it's a journey. A staircase you climb one deliberate step at a time, and every stage feels different. First comes relief, then confidence, then choice, and finally, independence. So today, we're breaking down the 4 stages of financial freedom and how you can move from surviving to thriving on your own terms. The first stage of financial freedom is stability. And for many people, it's the hardest one to reach. This is the stage where money feels loud. Every bill, every unexpected expense, every swipe of the card has weight. You're not thinking about the future yet. You're just trying to make it through the month without feeling like you're drowning. Stability is the moment you shift from chaos to control. It doesn't happen all at once. It happens the day you decide to track your spending, cut back on the noise, and build a small emergency fund, even if it's just $500 or $1,000. It's the moment you stop pretending debt will figure itself out and start attacking it with intention. In this stage, wealth isn't the goal. Calm is. Clarity is. Breathing room is. And even though progress feels slow, stability creates the foundation for everything that comes next. Because you can't build freedom until you stop the financial bleeding. Once you escape survival mode, you enter the second stage, security. And this is where your financial life begins to feel different. Security is quiet. It doesn't feel like winning the lottery. It feels like finally being able to exhale. You're no longer reacting to money. You're directing it. Your savings automatically move where they need to go. You put aside 3 to 6 months of expenses, not because you fear an emergency, but because you expect life to happen and you're prepared for it. You start investing consistently. Maybe it's $50 a week or even $500. But it's automatic, and it's growing, and something powerful happens. Money becomes less emotional. You stop checking your bank account with anxiety. You stop counting days to payday. You stop feeling like everything could fall apart with one surprise bill. Security is when you realize that wealth isn't built through intensity. It's built through consistency. You haven't reached freedom yet, but for the first time, you feel safe. Stage 3 is where everything shifts. This is freedom of choice. The moment money becomes leverage instead of limitation. Here, your income comfortably covers your lifestyle. Your debt is under control or gone. Your investments are growing in the background. You're not financially independent yet, but you're no longer trapped. You can change careers without panic. You can take a break without losing stability. You can start a small business that might not pay much today, but could change everything tomorrow. Freedom of choice isn't about being rich. It's about having options. It's when you begin protecting your time as fiercely as your money. You stop saying yes out of fear. You stop tolerating environments that drain you. You start designing your life instead of reacting to it. This stage is powerful because once you experience choice, you never want to go back. And finally, stage 4, financial independence. This is the point where your investments, assets, and passive income cover your entire cost of living indefinitely. Financial independence doesn't mean you stop working. It means you never have to work again. Your bills are covered by money you don't have to trade your time for. You can spend your days creating, exploring, building, or simply resting. Without fear, without urgency, without the pressure that shaped your early stages. For some, this stage looks like $1 million invested. For others, it's a modest home and a few rental properties. For many, it's a combination of small businesses and savings. Financial independence is personal, but the outcome is universal. Peace. Peace from financial fear. Peace from the pressure to hustle endlessly. Peace from the belief that time must always equal money. This is the freedom beyond money. The freedom to be yourself fully. The difference between those who reach financial freedom and those who don't isn't luck, it's clarity. A good investor doesn't drift. They move with intention. They know which stage they're in and what the next stage demands. You don't need millions to begin. You just need momentum. Because financial freedom isn't built in one big moment. It's built in small, consistent steps taken over time. Stability, security, choice, independence, 4 stages, 1 journey. And you can start yours today. Thanks for watching The Solo Investor. If this brought clarity to your financial path, make sure to subscribe for weekly videos on money, mindset, and modern wealth.